warm-ups, either for beginners or for a quick warm-up, for fitness or exercise or dance. It will help for toning and weight loss and can be done by all abilities. So first of all, we're going to do point and flex of toes. So you want your feet off the ground, stretching down, turning right up. Stretching down, turning up. This is good for balance as well. If you're a total beginner or an older person that finds balance difficult, why not sit on the floor and do it on the floor? Everybody can have a go at this, no matter how tight your legs are. If you do them every day or a couple of times throughout the day, you will get more flexible with your feet. Point, turn up. Point, turn up. Point, turn up. Point, turn up. Now we're going to do knee circling. So as if you're stirring with your foot in a circle, pointing the toe. Stirring, circling from the knee. Again, a good one for balance. And if you're a total beginner without balance, sit on a chair and do it, or sit on something higher where your foot can drape and then you can make your circles. Rises. So this is lifting the heels, don't lean forward, keep a tall posture as if you've got a wall in front of you and a wall right behind you. Just rise up and lower. Rise up and lower. So we're just lifting the heels, we're not leaning forward. Pull up your ribs, pull up your head. Just by lifting your chin up will help you lift. Just imagine someone lifting you up. Don't lift your shoulders or from your neck straining. So practice that. If you're more advanced after this, you can practice on one foot, rising up just on one foot. Also try feet apart, rising up on 2 feet. Rise up. Again, a more advanced dancer could practice with their feet turned out and rising up. Don't forget to try and balance if you're more advanced. This is very good for posture and the backs of your calves. Now we're going to do knee lifts, so just lifting the knee, pointing the toe. Lift. Again, the more advanced you are, the higher you can lift your knee. If you can, try and actually touch your hands under the raised leg without leaning forward. Twisting to face the back, very gently, seeing how far you can look behind you. Don't overstretch, just loosen up a little bit further each time. Side stretches, just gently sliding your hand down your leg. No effort, just feel the flexibility. And then you can do one arm over the top, just gently, never force stretches. And a good waist exercise to reduce your waist. Link your hands together, push them up, stretch up like you're reaching to the ceiling. Keep your feet tight together. Keep pushing up as you go over just a little way, not very far. And it's the amount of counts you can hold it for. It's not about going over, it's about the stretch up as you're in this position. If you can get to 20, that's great. Breathe in all the time, so you're holding all your muscles in, and then it's important to come back to this position. So stretch up, keep that up position as you go over to the side. Remember, it's about how long you can hold it there, keeping everything pulled in and up. Then feet apart, We could go into table back, which remember keeps stretched up as you go forward. You can also practice, if you're more advanced, down to the floor, holding your toes, going over to each foot, and even swinging through is a good one. Even if you're someone who can't quite get down yet to the floor, just try and go through with your hands. That makes a big difference to starting your flexibility. But remember, always stretch up and over. Never bend and arch and go down. It's not about the getting down. It's about doing it correctly, which in the long run will make you more flexible. And step kicks. You can do nice little loose ones. It's more about pointing your toes as you kick. Practice them backwards, just loose. It's about keeping your back up straight and not making this big thing. We're trying to actually just control our legs. If you ever kick up and can't retain it there, you haven't done it correctly. So these people throw their legs up. If they can't retain it, they shouldn't be kicking it up that high. So make sure when you lift your foot, it's not too high that you can't control it. So we're not throwing it up, we're lifting it